In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to present Canva slides offline. This is perfect if you're presenting in a classroom, a meeting room with no Wi-Fi, or anywhere with unstable internet. Canva is amazing for creating presentations online, but many people don't realize you can easily download your slides and present them without an internet connection. I'll walk you through two simple methods step by step, so you can choose the one that works best for you. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Canva guides just like this. All right, let's get started. The first and best option is to download your Canva presentation as a PowerPoint file, also known as a .pptx file. This method is ideal if you want to keep animations, transitions, and a traditional presentation experience. Start by opening your presentation inside Canva. Make sure everything looks exactly the way you want it, including text, images, animations, and slide order. Once you're ready, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. After clicking Share, you'll see several options. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Canva will now show you different file type options. Click on the File Type drop-down menu and choose PPTX, which stands for Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you select PPTX, click the Download button. Canva will begin preparing your file. Depending on the size of your presentation and how many slides you have, this may take a few seconds. When the download is complete, save the file to your computer in a location you can easily find, such as your desktop or Documents folder. Now, disconnect from the internet if you want to test it. Open the file using Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. From there, simply click Slideshow and start presenting as you normally would. Your slides will run completely offline. This option is the best choice if you need animations, embedded elements, or a full presentation mode experience without relying on Canva's online platform. Now, let's look at the second option, which is downloading your slides as a PDF. This method is great if you only need static slides and don't require animations or transitions. Again, go to the top right corner and click Share, then select Download. This time, open the File Type drop-down menu and choose either PDF Standard or PDF Print. PDF Standard is usually perfect for screen presentations, while PDF Print is higher quality and better if you plan to print the slides. After selecting your preferred PDF option, click Download and save the file to your computer. Once it's saved, you can open it using any PDF viewer, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader or even your browser's built-in PDF viewer. To present offline, simply open the PDF file and use full screen mode. On most PDF viewers, you can press F11 or select the full screen presentation option. You can then move through the slides using your arrow keys. Just keep in mind that animations and transitions will not work in a PDF format because it's a static file. So to quickly recap, if you want full presentation features and animations, download your Canva slides as a PowerPoint.pptx file. If you only need simple static slides, download them as a PDF. Both methods allow you to present completely offline without any internet connection. That's it. You now know exactly how to present Canva slides offline using two simple and reliable methods. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.